Ever receive a package you never ordered wondering, is this my lucky day or is this a sign of trouble? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com for all my tech updates. That's where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. Today we're talking about the odd phenomenon of brushing scams. Imagine coming home to find unexpected packages on your doorstep. Boxes filled with random, often low-cost items like humidifiers, hand warmers, ping pong balls, or even face masks. A strange mixture, right? But there's a catch. You never ordered them. This is known as a brushing scam, and it's causing a stir across the nation. Third-party sellers get a hold of your name, shipping address, and potentially even your account information. They then start sending you these unordered items and post fake positive reviews in your name. Why? Well, it's all to boost their ratings and online presence. It may sound harmless at first, free stuff after all, but it signals that someone has access to your personal information. So what can you do to protect yourself? Well, first and foremost, contact the reseller. If the package came from Amazon, reach out to their customer service, and if it's another company, contact them directly via their official website. Whatever you do, do not pay for the merchandise. If the package is marked with a return address and is unopened, mark it return to sender, and if it came by mail, the USPS will return it at no charge to you. Update all of your account passwords and monitor your credit report and credit card bills. If you notice suspicious activity, report it immediately. Remember, not every surprise package is a gift. Stay alert, protect your personal information, and never underestimate the power of awareness. For more security and privacy tips, visit cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my newsletter.